I would like to say that Joan Cusack has done such an extraordinary job as Jessie. It was an honor to write for her.
Life has ways of leaving those days behind, but seeing you tonight, I remembered I loved you. Came back when I met it, I saw you standing there in the light of the window, wearing that same smile. And it's been a while, but I knew it, I knew you. I knew it, I knew you. Some folks might be a little bit smarter than I am.
No one's smarter than you. Bigger and stronger too, maybe. But none of them will ever love you the way I do.
It's me and you, boy.